Sunday's precise and important news. Spokesperson of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan rejected the comments of Russian Defense Minister. The central spokesperson of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, by issuing a statement, rejected the remarks of the Russian Defense Minister at the SCO Defense Ministers meeting in New Delhi that armed groups from Afghanistan pose a threat to the security of Central Asian countries. Saudi sets quota for Hajj. 30,000 pilgrims will attend this year. The acting Minister of Hajj and Religious Affairs, Sheikh Al-hedayat Maulawi Nur Muhammad Saqib, says in a press conference that according to the quota set by Saudi Arabia for Afghanistan, the number of Afghan pilgrims will be 30,000 this year. The minister adds that the transfer contract of pilgrims has been signed with Calm Air Airlines this year. 56 more Afghan released from Sindh's prisons. With the efforts of the Afghan Embassy and General Consulate in Karachi, 56 Afghan immigrants were released from jails in Karachi city of Sindh province and returned to Kabul at the expense of the government of Afghanistan. Tax on small businesses reduced from 1.5% to 0.5 in 1402. The Office of the Economic Deputy PM says that during the last regular meeting of the Economic Commission, a decision was reached to reduce the amount of tax levied on small businesses from 1.5 to 0.5% for the year 1402 solar year. Safety cards are given to those returning to the country. Maulawi Ahmadullah Wasiq, the Communication Committee spokesperson, says that through the Commission for Return and Communication with former Afghan officials and political figures, safety cards are given to those returning to the country on the basis of which they can live like ordinary Afghans.